Hello everyone, today I'm going to be going over my Odoland mess kit that I purchased myself, and I got this online and I'm going to go over this. So together, well, let's say separate, just with this alone, this is 13.8 ounces. Now I do have a gas kit in here to hook up to this, which is I think like 7.2 ounces, something like that. So this is a total with the gas included of what is that, like 21 ounces roughly. So you're looking at about 1 pound 5 ounces. So this is 1 pound 5 ounces. Now let's open this up here. This has a mesh carry case, mesh carry bag, mesh. There's a top and a bottom, and they have rubber on the handles, which is nice because if you're heating these up, which you will be, it'll keep your hands from burning. So that's a nice little option that they put on here. Now this is, like I said, an Odoland. This is under $30, and if you take care of this, this will last a long time. Now it's saying this is 100 grams. 100 grams is actually, what is that, 3.5 ounces, I think. But this actually weighs 7 ounces on my scale. I have a postal scale. It comes, no, it doesn't come with this. You have to buy this separately. So there's a little pouch here. And in the little pouch is your spork that you unfold like so, and then there's this little slide that slides down that helps lock that in place. So you have a spork, you have a smaller or a lid, smaller pan or lid, and then it comes with a green cloth, which I find this to be really nice. There is your stove, and then you have your other pot here, and this also has rubber on the handles, which is nice, keeps you from burning your hands, because who wants to do that, right? And then inside here, which is really nice, you have your stove, which I like this protective case with this, and it's orange in case you drop it around somewhere, you'll find it. So this here, basically, now this is to turn the gas on and off. And basically you just slide these around. And then put your stove on top of here. But first, let's screw it to our fuel. So just gonna take this off. Screw on. There's a little rubber seal right here, and I just put a little bit of tension on there. Just snug that on there. Make sure these are out. And this one is fairly light, so you have to balance it just right if there's nothing in here. Now, obviously, if you have something in here, it's going to stay on here much easier. This one is a little bit heavier. Now, this one actually has the measurements on here. It's 800 milliliter, and it says 24 ounces. Now, if you can see this, the 24 ounces sits a lot lower than the 800 milliliters. I don't know why they did that. So I believe 800 milliliters is like 27 ounces. So 800 milliliter, 27 ounces. Now this fits on here much better because it's heavier. It doesn't need anything to hold it down. But once you have something in here, liquid or something, it's much more stable. So this has its own lighting mechanism on here. So you turn the fuel on and then just strike this. There's already a little bit of fuel in there. Okay, so there is, let me torque that a little bit. There is a little spark that ignites this. So basically just turn the fuel on a little bit, strike that, and then it's on. Now this turns up pretty high. You hear that? And you can see the flame. So let's turn this down a little bit. And the reason I have this lighter here is because of this mechanism. Now this mechanism should last a long time. It's like a plasma arc type of lighting mechanism on here. If it happens to go bad, you won't have no way of lighting this. So it's a good idea to maybe bring a lighter with you. So it's on, and this also comes with a, let me shut this off for a moment. This also comes with a Spork, and it has its own carry case, just like the portable stove does. And just fold this out, kind of snap that in place or click that in place, and then there's this here that pushes down that helps keep it together so it doesn't come apart on you while you're eating. I don't know if this is stainless. I'm thinking it's not. So, and I mean, it's pretty sturdy, but I don't know how long this would last. And the other thing is, this might rust if this isn't stainless. And it doesn't say stainless on here, and it looks, I mean, it's a budget kit here. It's a budget mess kit. So this might get a little rust on here. That's the only thing I could say about this here. But I mean, this would definitely come in handy. You could use this for a long time. Again, as long as you, okay. So I squeezed that in too much because there's a little hole that it fits in. Not a big deal. So you could see what I did. I squeezed that in, it came out the hole. So you have to be careful with that. This is a lower end Spork, but like I said, if you take care of it, this should last a long time. And then after you're done with it, you can put it back in a pouch. Now, I did bring a friend with me. I brought Einstein because it's always good to have someone that knows what they're doing. And the reason I did this is because I wanted to see how long it's going to take to heat water up. So let's pour this in here. I think this is about an 8 ounce. Well, let's see here. Okay, so it looks like it's reading around 12 ounces. Is that possible? Okay. All right, well, let's turn this back on, and we'll see how long it takes to heat it up. So basically, just press this in right here. And what I do is I hold it here, and then, make sure this is off, just light it. And then it will spark and ignite the flame. So it'll turn the flame on a little bit. And how you do that again is you just turn this. I don't know if you could hear that. So just hold that, turn this here, gas is on, and light it. Okay, so we're going to turn the flame up a little bit. Let's put this on here. And right now it's 12:35. So let's see how long it takes for this to boil. Okay, it's starting to boil now. It's 12:37, 35, 36, 37. And I'm sure it was already into, just turned 38. Okay, so I'm going to shut this off now. Grab this. You see the steam. So it started at, so we started this at 12:35. I don't know the exact second. It started boiling at 12:37, but then seconds later it turned to 12:38. So that was fairly quick. I'm going to go ahead and dump this out, and we'll let this cool down and put this away. Okay, and then after you're done with everything and this cools down, just flip these back over. You could spin this back around. Remember, there's this tab here. I like to pull on the bottom though, and then just take this back off. And then after you take it back off, you could put it in its case here. Flip this around. And then just stick it back in here. Got the lid on. Got your fork back in here, spork back in here. And then I always put this on the bottom here. You can put the can in. Put this in here. And then I always put this back on top. The lid. Put this in. And then spork. Put these back out. Tighten it back up, and there you go. It's very inexpensive. The spork, I think the spork will last a while as long as you take care of it. And I mean, like everything on here, I think as long as you take care of it, it will last a long time. It's very budget friendly. So I would highly recommend this. If you like the video, please hit the bell for notifications so that you never miss an upcoming video. Please subscribe, share, like, and I'll talk to you later. Thank you.